I'm looking at maybe taking a long from in here. That I'm going to have to start looking at this. Guess what price? 27. Yeah, I've gone long at 18.8. I've just entered a long trade. In here. I've gone long there at 18.8. 18, 28, 38, 8. $38.8, that's my target. Oh, 18.8, 8.8. That's my stop. There. So there I'm long at 18.8. 27.18.8. And why did I take a long trade? Well, you can see I took a long trade this morning, which was documented on Forex Factory out of this level, and this was holding as there was selling coming out of this level here. Price has gone through it, and now I'm hoping we're going to see a bounce up. That's what I'm looking at. And there, that was the reason for me getting in. Was that, you know, we've seen microstructure being broken here. I guess the only issue here is there hasn't been a new high created off of here, so it might be a little bit premature. But I'm hoping now that this level here will hold, because we can see initially this is where the burst of buying came from, the breakthrough microstructure levels on the 1 minute. So we'll soon see if there's still buying left in here, because now I need to see these micro structure points broken to the high side. Need to see price building out of here. But this morning like I said, I took a trade out of here because this was Frankfurt opening at 7 a.m. UK time, and it took price up and out of this area, came back in and tested it, and you know, what did I have? I don't think I got hardly any drawdown at all off of this trade. Yeah, that was my entry. Yeah, there was no drawdown at all. And you can see how price stair-stepped out of here. I mean, this was the level that I was highlighting. This level of balance here. I wasn't sure. I'd already left for work, sort of in here. Left the trade at break even plus 1 pip. We can see, you know, price never came back, carried on up, took my take profit of 20 pips, because I wasn't sure if price was going to, you know, end up getting through this level or not. But as we can see, it did. Like I said, now I'm looking at price. See, yesterday price was reacting off of here and dropping off. Now price has come through here. I'm looking at price reacting again and going up. We can see, you know, we got the wicks down here, the bearish wicks, bullish wicks. So we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully price will have, like I say, enough. There'll be enough buying in here now. We'll see price. We can see, you know, it's been used for buying, for selling, and now we've gone through it again. So hopefully we're going to see more buying off of this level. But you can see, yes, when was it? On Monday was the last time I was here with these two bearish trades off of, what was this? Yeah, this was Friday's high. I had two sell trades in here that lost. But you can see, and I was talking about the skinny leg down here. The price, you know, and all this inefficiency running up, I could see price coming back, filling this in and going again, which basically is what it's done. We can see here today, this morning, price came back in here, look, filled most of this in, and we're off again. That, you know, on Monday when I was taking these shorts out of here, I was getting in, you know, again, you could say, you know, if I was using a bigger stop, I wouldn't have been stopped down. But that's not what I want to be doing. I like to just trade with a small stop. If that stop gets hit, then I can rethink things. Like I said, I rethought things here and got taken out for a second time, so it doesn't always work. But then when was it? On Tuesday morning, I went short out of here, and that was a successful trade. That's what I mean. Just all I need is, you know, after 2 losses, I just need 1 win, and I've gained those 2 losses back. And then this morning I took a long trade, and now we can see our prices popped out of here. You know, like, let's have a look in here. We can see how, you know, like I said, price was bearish here, dropping down. Now we've come through this level, and we can see here, look, there's signs of bearish reaction off of this zone. See, there was the first reaction, came up, took out the microstructure here, here and here. And it's then, you know, then these bearish candles here have some significance, and we can see, you know, price came down, just that one bearish 1 minute candle, look, it's held price. And look how its price is just taken off from there. And what's the, you know, what for had? 18.9. Maybe 3 pips of drawdown. See, price is now coming up and reacting off of this area here. So where's price? Because I like to see price, you know, move fast like this, because anybody anticipating price still dropping in here, and price takes off like this, it's very seldom it'll come back and fill all this in. It'll leave a gap here and trap, you know, any late sellers that were, you know, coming in down here. Price won't come back and let them out. So now, as price moves up, you know, they'll decide, oh, price is going up, and they'll come out of their sell trade with a, you know, with their buy stops being hit, and that's going to push price higher. I mean, you want to, you know, go back over a 1 minute chart and just see how often, when it looks like price is going down and it pushes up, and it leaves a gap like this and doesn't come back to allow any short sellers out of the market. That's the point, actually. I didn't. Oh, where are we? Yeah, 2:15 UK. There was red news. So there's no more red news today. So where was 2:15? There, that was 2:15. So really there wasn't, you know, a lot of reaction off of that red news. If anything, it's just pushed it down into a zone of buying, and that's what you know. That's what the market's reacting to now. There's obviously a zone of buying here. It's pushing price up. Now, hopefully, we're going to get a quick pop up. It's going to hit my take profit, and I can finish this video quickly. And it's going to be a short video. So what are we at? 35.40. what I'm hoping, like I said, what I'm hoping for is that this inefficiency gets left, and now and price doesn't break and close below this candle, this bearish candle here. I'm hoping now we'll see bullish reaction coming inside this candle. See, if price does come back, I mean, it could come back to any of these levels in here. You know, any of these bearish candles. Because like I say, you know, if price is going to be going up, there's going to be buying. You know, all of these, where people were selling here, the people, you know, the big institutions will be buying into these bearish candles. That it depends which one, if any of them, will hold price in the end. Because here we can see, look, that candle, there would have been buying going on all the way into this big bearish candle, this bearish candle. And we can see here, look, right through how this was holding price. And it's holding it here and pushing up, making a higher high. So like I said, I'm anticipating price being held here and pushing up further. Because ultimately, I can see price getting up in here again. Because yesterday was an inside day. I mean, what is that? That's Tuesday. Yeah. Tuesday and today has been inside days of Monday's price action. That was Monday's low, Monday's high. And we can see yesterday and today has been inside both days have been inside Monday. So yeah. There, see now, I want to see price just pop through the top of this candle, make a new high. Because like I've said before, you will often see price come back, hang around these areas, some orders being exchanged, all the buying and selling getting drawn out, exhaustion, and then price will pop above the high and pop up again. You see, price now has to work its way through. If it's going to, if it's going to continue up, it has to work its way out of these areas here where there's been selling. So if price is going to continue up, it's got to work through any selling that's might be left over here. See, this is a lot like we were seeing this morning at this level. You see, I had this area of balance where price was struggling to get through to make a new high. And eventually, like I said, it does. You know, you've got the same criteria, same thing going on here. You know, price has got to work through all of these, whatever's in here, work its way through it before, you know, hopefully for me, price will break out and continue higher. We can get a pop above all these highs here. You know, get a pop out of here, and then hopefully we'll see like here. Look, here we had selling at this level, price pops through, and then with buying turns into, or selling turns into buying, and hopefully we'll see the same sort of thing here. You know, if price gets through here, it's going to come back and test this level, and the selling will transition into buying. See, now hopefully we get the close above this level now, and now it'd be nice not to see price coming back any lower than this candle and closing anywhere below this candle. Look there, that's my target, 828, 38, 8. So just need a bit more of a pop. Like I said, now price could, well, you know, draw back into this sort of zone, but no lower than here. Oh, it's taken my it's yeah, well yeah, it's definitely taken me out now. What was I? There. So I entered at 18.8. Quick pop out, I'm out at 38.8 for plus 20 pips. So anybody's interested, if you'd hit the like button and subscribe, that'll give me plenty of encouragement to carry on making these videos. Anyway, I'll leave it there. I'll see you in the next video.